Have you noticed you're hesitating more lately? Not in big ways, in small ones. You pause before making a decision. You second guess yourself. You stay quiet when you actually want to speak. And maybe you told yourself, something is wrong with me. But what if nothing is wrong? What if your confidence didn't disappear? It just stepped back because your life has changed? After my divorce in my 30s, I felt it too. Not broken, just uncertain. Even walking in places that used to feel normal felt different. Like I didn't quite belong anymore. And here is what I've discovered. Confidence doesn't come first. Courage does. Not big courage, not loud courage, small courage. Stay a little longer, trying again. Showing up even when you don't feel ready. Because confidence is not something you have. It is something you rebuild. Moment by moment, choice by choice. So, if you feel like you've lost your confidence, maybe you haven't. Maybe you are just rebuilding it.